A very good evening to all of you, and welcome to After Hours with Team William in India. So this is today's Nifty action. The gap up opening was there. I think the Nifty opened above 18250 level, but we discussed this in the morning that yeah, somewhere around 300 350 zone is very tough, and before that only from 250 in the opening few minutes itself. So this is the 5-minute chart. So it's after 9:20 there was a sharp reversal, and within next couple of hours Nifty went to almost 18,115 level. It tried to hold a bit between 18,100 to 18,150 level, but it again breached that level और वहां से 18,100 भी निफ्टी ने ब्रीच कर के 18,064 का लो बनाया. But then again, there was a sharp reversal in Nifty. वहां से एक one way rally दिया निफ्टी ने on an intraday basis, and the recovery was almost 150 40 odd points, and the closing was at 18,200 level. So this is very good closing. And in fact, if you look at the Nifty bank, तो बैंक निफ्टी का तो जो क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे वो हाईएस्ट क्लोजिंग हुआ लाइफ टाइम हाई पे. जो इंट्राडे वाला हाई है लाइफ टाइम, वो अभी बाकी है. आई थिंक 100 पॉइंट वहां से नीचे रह गया. बट ओवरऑल इफ यू लुक, the closing was the highest for Nifty Bank. So now Nifty is just 150 points away from its 52-week high. And yes, but yeah, it is away from the 18,600 के ऊपर जो उसका लाइफ टाइम है. वहां से निफ्टी तो दूर है थोड़ा, मतलब 400 पॉइंट. But yeah, Bank Nifty is very close to it, and Nifty is just 150 points from its 52-week high. If you look at the chart over here, follow through day नहीं मिला, but ये जो short term moving average है, generally we don't track this. Generally हम 21, which is the green line, the red one, which is the 50, and the black one is the 200 DM. These are the important level. But I was just looking at few charts of the Nifty and trying to put some other moving averages. So this is just what I saw, and I'm just sharing it with you. Please don't take anything over here. So disclaimer is clear for this thing as an investment advice. But yeah, this is what I'm sharing with you. ये जो छोटा line, pink line है यहाँ पे, ये moving average, that is the 5 EMA, 5 days exponential moving average. तो अगर आप ये पूरी रैली यहाँ से देखें ना, एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम दिस डे व्हेन देयर वाज अ शार्प रिवर्सल, 17,200 के लेवल से ऑलमोस्ट 1000 पॉइंट का रैली हुआ, एंड निफ्टी हैज डिफेंडेड दिस वन 5 एक्सपोनेंशियल डे मूविंग एवरेज. यहाँ पे ये पिंक लाइन देखो, सारे लोज है ना वो वहीं पे है. इवन आज का लो, इट वाज वेरी क्लोज टू दैट लेवल. वो लेवल के नीचे कभी क्लोजिंग आया ही नहीं है. क्लोजिंग क्या मतलब, इंट्राडे भी एक या दो ओकेजन पे ब्रीच हुआ है, वो भी ब्रीफली 10-20 पॉइंट आगे पीछे हुआ है. सो this is something what I saw it, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope this turns out to be useful. So now the clear thing over here is that whenever you see that this line is breaching और यहाँ इसके 5 EMA से नीचे closing आता है, then that is one sign that okay, ये जो पूरा 10-15-20 दिन का ये रैली वाला सेशन है कि 5 EMA को ब्रीच नहीं किया, वो एक खत्म हो जाता है. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू ओनिल मेथोडोलॉजी, व्हाट नाउ, आई थिंक हम प्रीवियस रैली हाई को ऊपर चले गए, तो आइडियली तो हम कंफर्म अप ट्रेंड में नहीं है, बट यस, द बाय स्विच इज ऑन एंड देयर इज नो हार्म इन फैक्ट इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे ट्रैक किया जाए. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे इज 0.2% लॉस ऑन अ वॉल्यूम हायर देन प्रीवियस सेशन. अगर तो अभी वो ट्रैक करना भी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है 18,100 के ऊपर जब मार्केट है, then just to get an idea of when the top is getting formed, और क्या अभी रैली का थकान हो गया क्या, is the bull tired, वो वाला सीन अगर देखे तो yes, distribution day ट्रैक करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. and this 5 EMA is what I just observed and I'm sharing with you guys. तो बाकी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हो जाता है अभी तो 350 का लेवल जो उसका 52 वीक हाई है. And I think today's high and low also becomes important because now the session is not tomorrow, now it's on the Wednesday. If we move above today's high, ये 250 के ऊपर निकलता है, then we might test this 350 level also. And if we see that today's low is breached and the closing is below that level, then we might see some consolidation over here. 18,000 to 17,700, at least 21 DA में भी टेस्ट कर सकता है, और वो भी अपवर्ड ट्रेंडिंग है. So 21 DA में is also upward trending, so वहां पे एक बार टेस्ट हो सकता है if the 18,100 के नीचे या 18,000 के नीचे क्लोजिंग आता है तो. So these are some of the points about the Nifty. Now today, after an excellent result, Britannia and SBI were the top gainers. So there was no doubt about these two being a top gainer. Even in F&O, uh, Bank of Baroda, Bank Baroda, 10% का गेन लग गया था सुबह सुबह, तो उसका भी रिजल्ट. तो PSU बैंक के जितने भी रिजल्ट्स है, they have been excellent. So today I just saw that our honorable finance minister also tweeted about the PSU banks, that yes, the way the performance is about the PSU bank, that has been excellent. और जो उनका एसेट क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है लास्ट 2 क्वार्टर में, उनका प्रॉफिट जो जनरेट हुआ है, दैट हैज बीन रियली गुड फॉर द PSU बैंक, एंड इट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन द charts as well. Other top gainers, Adani again a new high, BPCL and Eicher Motor were among the gainers. On the flip side, खराब रिजल्ट आया Divis Lab का, it missed estimates, 8% डाउन था, 8 से 9%. Asian Paints, again like the crude oil moving higher, raw margin, raw material cost increase होने से margin पे impact हो सकता है. Pharma were in the losing side. Cipla, Sun Pharma were there. Adani Port was also 1.3% down over here. Sorry. If you look on the sectors, yes, it's only pharma that was down, closed in red, otherwise all in green. Nifty IT थोड़ा flattish था, IT and media just 0.2% gain. बाकी सब PSU bank, look at this one, 4.4% gain. Bank Nifty more than 1%. Auto financial service were also good, right? So overall, the sector-wise also the placement is quite well in the market. So some key news if you track, then Vinati Organic came up with the Q2 numbers and revenue grew 12% and the PAT increased 14.6%. So Inox Green Energy's IPO is set to open for subscription from November 11 to 15. So this is finalized and the company has fixed a price band of 61 to 65. Adithya Birla Capital result was out today. The NII growth was 27% to 1122 crore. PAT grew 29.4% on a YOY basis to 488 crore. Ujjivan SFB came out with the result. NII surged almost 70% and the profit was at 294 crore against the loss of 273 crore on a YOY basis. और asset quality भी काफी improve हुआ है. GNPA declined to 5.06% from 6.5. So एक notable improve हुआ है asset quality banks का. Alkyl Amines Chemicals revenue was up 17.3% and the PAT was down 3.1% on a YOY basis. And yes, the Divis Lab result, it was below estimates. Revenue was down 6.7% and the profit declined 18.6% on a YOY basis to 493 crore. These were some of the news. Now this is the chart of the day. So not in the zone, guys. Ideally, see two things to note over here. Firstly, हम result से पहले position नहीं लेते. According to O'Neill rules, you wait for the result and the confirmation. So already ये buy zone में था, तो ये blue zone है. यहाँ पे ये stage से breakout हुआ था यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Sorry. Yes, this was the breakout day. तो ये पूरा जोन था वो रिजल्ट से पहले का था. सो वी नेवर टुक एंट्री इन दिस स्टॉक. अब क्या हो गया कि ये एक्सटेंडेड हो गया. ये जो आइडियल बाय जोन है, दैट इज द ब्लू शेडेड पार्ट. आज ओपन ही उसके ऊपर हुआ था. द ओपनिंग वाज वेरी गुड फॉर द स्टॉक एंड द स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग आउटसाइड द बाय जोन. बट ओवरऑल इफ यू लुक द एक्यूमुलेशन, द आरएस लाइन, सी ब्लू डॉट आ गया, नए हाइट पे आरएस लाइन, ठीक है? बेस ऑन बेस पे ब्रेकआउट इज वेरी गुड ओवर हियर. The accumulation volume is also good. So this is the stock of the day today, and this can be the part of your watch list. जब भी ये buy zone में आता है, that is when you should analyze the stock, take advice from your investment advisor. Yes, if we will take any action, then we will definitely send a notification to our premium clients. But couple of things important, market condition भी important हो जाता है. अगर मान लो buy zone में आया, market condition ठीक नहीं है, then not a great idea. But if the market condition remains good, Nifty remains above that 18,100 level, and ये buy zone में आपको मिलता है, then this is the stock to have it in your watch list, and that's why we have selected it as a chart of the day. Results were excellent. We discussed already in the morning also, and briefly just now also, that the asset quality improvement, the NII improvement, everything was up to the mark, and it was beat on all the fronts. So that's it for today's session. I hope it was useful to you guys. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a market holiday, but on Wednesday we'll again meet at 8:45 a.m. and it will be an important session. So today's foreign market action, tomorrow's US and Europe market action, all the things will be discussed on Wednesday morning, and also how the bank Nifty or how the Nifty is setting up for the Wednesday session. Thank